Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to make private your project. So this is very simple, just follow all these steps. First of all, you can see this is the main interface of Asana. Multiple options available here, but now we click on this button. Just you will type the relevant email person name you want to show your project to limited people. You can also click on the member option. So in this option you can also remove the members from your project. Even you can add the limited people on your project. Even you can make it private for only for yourself. Now you can also make your projects one by one private. So following by these all steps, you can simply make your every project private.